Yn yr unig gêm rhwng dau o glybiau cyngred y Gogledd, fe ddechreuodd y gêm fel sa rhywun yn ei ddisgwyl wrth i Treffynnon sy'n drydydd yn y cyngred fynd ar y blaen wedi dim ond 8 munud. Ilan ap Gareth yn rhwydo yn dilyn rhediad gwych Jake Cook. Ac roedd yn edrych fel y bydda hi'n bnawn hir i'r tîm cartra pan rwydodd capten Treffynnon Dani Andrews ail gol 2 funud yn ddiweddarach. Brwydrodd Cegidfa yn ôl yn yr ail hanner a rholodd Calon Bromley lygedyn obaith i'r tîm cartra, ond llwyddodd Treffynnon i ddal i tir a sicrhau lle yn rownd yr 8 ola.
Gêm bach o frwydr o'n ones, yn ei gwybod o'n gêm anodd, mae'r tywydd wedi bod yn gret a mae'n fwtlyd iawn yna, ond o'n i'n gwneud be o'n i angen gwneud a dangos yr ansaf i gael y buddugoliaeth.
I trust the lads, they roll the sleeves up when they need to, and I thought it showed a lot of character going into the last 10 minutes, and probably we looked most likely to score again on the counter attack. But like I said, just pleased to get into the quarterfinals.
Credit to Holywell, they did what we expected. They're a good team, they're on a great run. League position doesn't lie, but you can't play halves of football like that at our standard. Second balls, the basics, wanting it a bit more. Yeah, just not good enough first half. Great reaction second half, to be fair to them. And you know, certainly the better team second half. But yeah, like I said, they're an experienced team and they're good at what they do. And yeah, unfortunately, we're out the Welsh Cup.
And you scored the second goal. A bit of a cracker. Tell us about it.
Yeah, I've seen the keeper off design. Yeah, but I think the win took most of it. But I'll take them anyway. The winning goal. So yeah, in the up for the next round.
Lawr i'r 8 ola. Oes ar rhywun sy'ch chi'n hoffi yn y rown nesa?
Wel, dwi un o Bala, so Bala neis i fi, ond os fi cymryd rhywun adref, a dwi'n meddwl, sneb eisiau chwarae erbyn ni ar y funud, dwi'n meddwl dim bwys pa gyngraid eich chi yn, dyn ni ar rhediad rili fa, na i cymryd rhywun.